हेलो भाई, वेलकम बैक टू अवर न्यू वीडियो ऑफ ग्राफिक कोडर। तो आज आप सभी का वेलकम है एक और न्यू वीडियो के अंदर। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं क्रिएटिंग अ सिंपल कैलकुलेटर। सो ये होगा हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो फंक्शनल प्रोजेक्ट होगा। सो इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट आ जा रहा है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर इसका सेकंड पार्ट आएगा जो कि इसका थोड़ा सा एडवांस वर्जन होगा। सो जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि आज हम करने वाले हैं क्रिएटिंग अ सिंपल कैलकुलेटर। सो सबसे पहले हमें कोड बनाना है, वेयर इन दिस वी हैव टू मेक अ कोड इन विच द यूजर will input two numbers, then we will print the answer by plus, minus, divide, multiply। तो ये होते हैं चार तरीके के ऑपरेटर्स जो मतलब फंक्शनल होते हैं, प्रीलोडेड होते हैं, जैसे कि प्लस, माइनस, डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई। स्टार साइन मल्टीप्लाई, स्लैश मतलब डिवाइड। सो जैसे ही हम ये जैसे लिख देंगे, सो मैंने पहले से हमारा कैलकुलेटर की एग्जाम्पल बना के रख दी है। सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्लियर आवर concept regarding this simple calculator. So in this, as I mentioned that in this video I'll create a simple calculator to make your concept clear, and then in the next video or next episode I will make a fully functional in which I'll use sum, divide, multiply, subtraction and everything. So in this simple calculator we'll ask for sum. So first of all user will add first number, then user will add second number. So then make a program in which our program will merge or sum both first and second value. So let's understand the code. So then the code will print the third value, which is sum of first and second value. So now let's understand what's going on in this program or code. So include IO stream using namespace std and return 0 as same as always, and then int main and then int x comma y. We are declaring two integers which are x and y, which we'll be using in this whole program, and then it is sum. So sum is name of integer and x and y are name of integer. You can change it. So int x and y, two variables are declared. Second int sum, which will be sum of both x and y. So first of all we have scout, which means print type a number. First of all code will type a number which will be unknown. So it will print as it is, which is type a number. It will print this. Then code will read the next line, which is sin x, which means that there's a integer which is x, which will be input from the user. It is on user's choice what he choose. So we have declared sin x as we have studied about sin in last episode, so you can check it out. So next x, which is user's input, then type another number. Then what we have to do, we want second number from user which will be input. So count, which means print type another number which will be second number. Our first number is declared, then our second number which will be y. We have declared x and y both in first line of the code after int main. So whole this process is just typing a number and getting information from our user. So in next line we have declared that sum, which is integer, which is declared in line number 5. So in line number 10 we have said that sum is equals to x plus y, x which is an integer in line number 4 and y which is integer in line number 4. So plus sign means add, in which x plus y will be added together and will make a result which is named as sum. So we have choose the name sum, which is x plus y, which means if we add x plus y it will make sum and sum. So in next line we have print the sum is, then it will intersection operators sum, which means sum is an integer which is x plus y. User will input x then y, so it will make sum. So sum is equals to our output. So let's try it out that does this code work or not. So F9. So as you can see here, the code is asking for a number, which is type a number. So if we type here 2, then press enter key, enter, then it is then the code says type another number. If we type 3, let's suppose if we are typing 3, so we'll choose multiple examples in this episode. X is 2 and y is 3. So x plus y is equals to z or sum. So sum is 3 plus 2 5. So if we enter output the sum, which is x plus y, 3 plus 2 which is 5. So it will say the sum is 5. Enter, the sum is 5, which means our code is completely working. So x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 2. 6 plus 2 which is 8. So enter 8. So 6 plus 2 8. So this is it for today's video, and hope you enjoyed the video and you are learning new things from this channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.